Welcome back to a brand new episode from Tech Mountain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up Windows 11 operating system from only 6 steps. So, stay with us until the last second of the video. Step number 1. First go to Start and click on Settings icon. Now go to the Storage tab in System category. Now click on Storage Sense. Turn on Automatic User Content Cleanup. Schedule the cleanup as you want, and make sure that the option, Delete Files in My Download folder is selected to Never. Step number 2. Go to Settings and click on Personalization tab. Then go to Colors and turn off the transparency effect. Step number 3. Go to Settings and click on Gaming tab. Now click on Game Mode and turn on the game mode. From this step, you can optimize your laptop or desktop for better performance. Step number 4. Go to this PC. Right-click on Local Disk C, then go to Properties and click on Disk Cleanup. Tick all these options. Now click on OK. Step number 5. Right-click on Windows button, then go to Task Manager. Click on Startup. Disable unwanted apps that are running from startup like Spotify. Step number 6. Right-click on Windows button. Click on Run, and type this in Run window. Select all of these files and delete all. If this error message seen, click on Skip. This is the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button